there, boys and girls. Brucey here with a little tip on routing with the Line 6 Helix. Let's say the scenario is you've got an amp set up here, you're just using the amp, and you want to send your signal to a traditional amp on stage with no speaker simulation, but then you want to send your speaker simulation or your IR to the front of house. So you're going to split the signal in two. One signal here is going to your amp and the other signal here is going to the front of house. And in that you might want some different effects, or more commonly you probably just want to take the speaker block and run the speaker simulation or your IR going to front of house and nothing going to your cab, because you've got the cab and the speaker built in with whatever amplifier you're using. So it is really easy to do on the Helix, but it might seem a little daunting to start with. So here, if we just look at the signal flow, guitar comes in here, goes through a wah pedal, compressor, couple of overdrives, my secret EQ boost, my amp, so that's my amp there. Then out the back of the amp goes into a noise gate, another boost EQ and some other effects, and then into the speaker simulation. Of course there's a million ways of doing this, and I'm waiting for all the hate online. It's like, why have you put the speaker there, blah blah blah, whatever, I don't care. This is just for demonstration purposes. So let's say here I want to send the signal out of the reverbs going straight into an amplifier on stage where I've got a separate speaker, and I want to send a different speaker emulation signal out to the front of house. So how do I split the signal? Well, the easiest thing is you select this block and you go to action and you just drop the block down and you get the split path here. Now of course your path is being split here, so it's coming out of there, so the reverb is going straight out, but this isn't going to a separate output. This is the key question: how do I get this to go to a separate output? All you do is you move up to the junction there and select that, and you just drop it down, and now you have your two separate outputs. And then we can go along to this, and that's, I'm happy with that, and we go along and select our output, and then we select that to the different output. So on the XLR, because that's going to the PA, I am sending the cabinet signal, and then out of the 1/4 inch I am just sending my amp and effect signals with no speaker simulation. I hope you found that useful. It's great, it's really powerful, and you can start to do all manner of things. You can put different effects down here should you wish to that go to front of house. Possibilities are limitless. So hope you found that useful. Catch you later.